an incredibly velvety sauce with only parmigiano and butter. 3 ingredients, not one more, for a dish that is as quick as it is tasty. It's Fettuccine Alfredo. In this video, Flavia Diamante shows us how to make one of the most famous Italian dishes in the world. There are 3 ingredients for Fettuccine Alfredo: parmigiano, butter and fettuccine, the same ones used for a butter and parmigiano pasta. In fact, the difference, as we will see, lies in the relationship between butter and parmigiano and above all in the creation of the creamy sauce. Let's talk about the parmigiano. Preferably, we want an aged parmigiano and it must be finely grated. This is very important for the success of the Fettuccine Alfredo sauce. Ideally, pass it through a sieve, which will make the parmigiano a powder. The mesh on the right is too thick. Let's take the 0.8 mm one on the left instead. Now Flavia starts sifting at a good pace. It doesn't take long. And by the time she's done, the water will boil and the fettuccine will be cooked. Do you see how fine it is? Truly a powder. This is the first secret to getting the beautiful creamy sauce. If you buy the parmigiano already grated, pass it through a sieve anyway, if it isn't fine enough. In goes the fettuccine. We salt the water a little less than usual. And while the pasta is cooking, we prepare the superlative Parmigiano crema. Our advice is to avoid mixing with a spoon and fork at the table, which Alfredo did in an extremely theatrical way, as Flavia is showing us, perhaps a little too dramatically. Rather, you obtain an even more velvety sauce, making it as we are doing here. Put half the butter into this bowl together with the parmigiano, then the hot pasta cooking water and a bit of elbow grease to mix. Perfect, smooth, velvety and very liquidy. How is it, Flavia? The fettuccine is ready. In goes the remaining butter. We mix it and it's time to combine everything. In goes the white and velvety sauce off the heat. We mix quickly and plate. A little more creamy sauce. What's the point of heavy cream? American friends, trust me, it can be done without it. Mouth-watering, creamy as it should be. A delicacy and a brilliant way to turn an otherwise boring condiment into a celebration. And don't forget to give Flavia a like and subscribe to Piatto Recipes. Buon appetito!